Hi there, welcome back to the Art of Business English podcast. Andrew Ambrosi's here, your host for another episode. And this is the podcast where we help business English professionals like you get the English language skills you need for doing business in English. Now, today I've got episode 224 for you, so we're getting along now. We're going to be looking at 10 idiomatic expressions that you can use to talk about career advancement. So career advancement is getting a promotion or improving your status or your position within a company. So if you're in HR or you are looking to get a promotion, some of these expressions could be very useful for you. Okay, so let's look at the first one. And that one is climbing the ladder of success. And this idiom refers to the gradual progression towards achieving success in one's endeavors. And it symbolizes the journey of achievement, growth, and advancement, okay, as individuals work their way up from lower positions or starting points to higher levels of success and or accomplishment. So an example might be she started as an intern and has been climbing the ladder of success ever since, now holding a managerial position. So in this case, intern is someone who's doing like an internship, so they're basically a trainee. Okay. Now, the second one on my list is rising through the ranks. Now, rising through the ranks is also an idiom that describes the progression from a lower position to a higher one within an organization or hierarchy. So it signifies the upward advancement of an individual as they climb the organizational structure, and they're increasing their level of authority or their responsibility and influence. So here an example might be, he has been rising through the ranks quickly from a junior associate to a senior manager in just a few years. Okay, another one is moving up the echelons. Echelons, that's a funny word. This idiom signifies climbing through various levels of authority or influence or seniority within a system or organization. And this phrase highlights the strategic advancement and progression as one navigates through the ranks of a hierarchical structure. Okay, so an example might be, by consistently delivering exceptional results, she has been moving up the echelons of the company, now being considered for a leadership role. Okay, let's look at another one. And that would be ascending to the top or rising to the top. Okay, they would both work. And again, this idiom conveys the achievement of the ultimate pinnacle of success and influence within a specific domain or industry. And it represents the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance that then lead an individual to the top position or role in their chosen field. So everyone would like to rise to the top or ascend to the top. Another example of this then would be, after years of dedication and hard work, she finally ascended to the top position as the CEO of the company. Okay, so let's look at another one, and that would be scaling the heights of the business world. So scaling basically means to climb. And this idiom captures the concept of achieving significant success and recognition in the competitive realm of business. And this phrase also symbolizes surpassing challenges or exceeding expectations and reaching remarkable heights of accomplishment within the corporate landscape. So an example here would be, through strategic planning and innovative ideas, the company has been scaling the heights of the business world, surpassing all competitors. And as a side note, you can use a lot of these expressions to talk if you have to give a talk. If your role is to congratulate someone on their career progress, then you can use a lot of these expressions in the talk that you deliver to people when congratulating a colleague on their success. Okay, let's look now at another one, and that would be reaching for the stars. Okay, and of course, this is quite popular. This idiom conveys the ambitious pursuit of lofty goals. Now, lofty means they are big goals that maybe seem unachievable. So, dreams, maybe. They can also be related to aspirations that may seem challenging or even unattainable. Okay, so it also signifies aiming for the highest possible level of success. So we hear a lot of this in Hollywood now. You're going to reach for the stars, become a star. Okay, so an example might be despite the simple beginnings or his simple beginnings, he never hesitated to reach for the stars and is now a renowned entrepreneur. Okay, another one would be making strides in your career. Now, strides are past like steps, long, wide steps. So making strides in your career is an expression that highlights the progress that an individual has made in their professional lives. And it signifies moving forward, growing and achieving success through significant and positive developments, okay, in one's career path. So an example of this might be she has been making strides in her career by continuously improving her skills and taking on challenging projects. Okay, another one, and this is very colloquial and less formal, becoming top dog. Okay, so becoming top dog is an idiom that we use in English that means to become the most successful or dominant individual in an organization within a particular context or an industry. And it is often used in a competitive or a hierarchical setting to describe someone or a group that has risen to the top or achieved a position of authority and influence. Okay, so let me give you another example then. So after years of hard work and dedication, he finally became the top dog in the industry, leading with innovation and vision. Okay, another one. Climbing the rungs of success. Now, rungs are the steps on a ladder. Okay, so this idea basically conveys the idea of making progress or achieving steps towards success, much like climbing a ladder. Okay, it suggests a gradual ascent or a progression towards reaching one's goals or reaching a higher level of achievement. So an example might be, by consistently meeting and exceeding targets, she has been climbing the rungs of success, moving closer to her career goals. All right, now another one that we use that's quite colloquial and maybe a little less common, becoming the rainmaker. Now that's one word, rainmaker. So becoming the rainmaker is an idiom that is used in business, in a business context. It refers to a person who generates a significant amount of income or business opportunities for a company. So maybe it's used commonly in sales. The term comes from the idea that a rainmaker has the ability to bring in revenue or success, much like how rain brings growth and prosperity to crops, to farmers. Okay, so let me give an example. Known for his exceptional networking skills, he became the rainmaker of the team, bringing in numerous lucrative deals and opportunities. Okay, so there you have it, my friends. There are 10 very idiomatic expressions that we use in English to talk about your climbing the ladder or your advancements in your career and you improving over time. And you can use them in many varied contexts. Choose one that you like. And you can talk about it, throw it into your next conversation. You can discuss it with HR. You could maybe ask your HR manager, how can I climb the rungs or reach the pinnacle of this organization? How can I achieve my goals to become one of the leaders in this organization? And then, just throw them into a conversation. They're something that you can use in your daily business, and people definitely will understand what you mean. especially if they're native, and it's going to help you sound much more knowledgeable in your business English. So that is it for me, people. I hope you enjoyed these 10 idiomatic expressions for talking about your career advancement. And I'll hopefully all see you soon in the next episode. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And you know that you can follow us anywhere and everywhere on all the podcasting platforms, and you can also check me out over at my YouTube channel. So that is it for me, people. I hope you're enjoying this episode. Head over to the blog to read the full article and take some notes, because you know that through taking notes and making a conscious effort to put language into practice, you're going to internalize it, and it's going to improve your knowledge and range of vocabulary. So that's it from me, people. I hope you have a great week, and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.